For generations, we have been taught a definitive truth. The age of dinosaurs ended abruptly, millions of years ago. A cataclysmic event, a cosmic impact, sealed their fate, leaving only fossilized whispers of their reign. But what if this widely accepted narrative is incomplete? What if the story of the dinosaurs isn't confined to the distant, unrecoverable past? Could their colossal shadows have stretched further, perhaps even touching the dawn of human civilization? We are compelled to ask if their presence left an indelible mark on our collective memory. Consider the possibility that some of these magnificent creatures, or their direct descendants, found ways to persist. Perhaps they retreated to the most remote, untouched corners of our planet, evolving in isolation, hidden from our modern gaze. The idea challenges our understanding of history and biology. It forces us to confront the limits of our knowledge and the vastness of the unknown. Could the legends and myths passed down through millennia be more than mere fantasy? Could they be echoes of a truth we are only now beginning to rediscover? Deep within the desolate, unforgiving expanse of the Gobi Desert in Mongolia, a chilling legend persists. Nomadic tribes speak of a creature so terrifying, its very name evokes dread. The Olgoi Kokoi, or the Mongolian death worm. This is no ordinary desert dweller. Descriptions paint a vivid, horrifying picture. A thick, red, worm-like entity, often several feet long, with a segmented body. Its most fearsome attribute is its alleged ability to kill from a distance, either by spitting corrosive venom or by discharging a powerful electric shock. To touch it, even accidentally, is said to be instant death. Could this terrifying legend be a distorted, ancient memory of something truly prehistoric? Speculation points to the possibility of a burrowing reptile, a creature from a bygone era that adapted to the harsh, subterranean life of the desert. The Gobi is a land of extremes, where life finds extraordinary ways to survive. Imagine a lineage of Eosauropterygians, ancient marine reptiles, evolving to thrive in arid, sandy environments. Their bodies, once adapted for water, could have transformed into burrowing forms, their predatory instincts honed for desert prey. Such a creature, if it existed, would be a formidable and terrifying sight. Even today, reports of the Olgoi Kokoi continue to surface from the Gobi's remote reaches, while scientific expeditions have yet to yield definitive proof. The consistent accounts from isolated herders and explorers keep the mystery alive. The absence of evidence is not always the evidence of absence. Journey now to the heart of Africa, to the vast, impenetrable swamps of the Congo Basin. Here, among the dense foliage and winding waterways, another extraordinary legend thrives. The Mokele-Mbembe. This creature is described with remarkable consistency by indigenous peoples across the region. Eyewitness accounts speak of an enormous herbivorous beast, roughly the size of an elephant, with a long, flexible neck, a small head, and a massive, powerful tail. Its body is said to be smooth and brownish-gray, leaving distinct three-toed tracks in the mud. The description is strikingly similar to that of a sauropod dinosaur. What makes these accounts particularly compelling is their consistency across isolated communities, many of whom have had little to no contact with the outside world. Their descriptions of the Mokele-Mbembe predate any widespread knowledge of dinosaurs in these remote areas. They could not have been influenced by modern paleontological discoveries. This raises profound questions. How could so many disparate groups independently arrive at such a precise and consistent description of a creature thought to be extinct for millions of years? Is it a collective hallucination or a shared encounter with something truly extraordinary? The sheer scale of the Congo Basin, one of the last truly unexplored wildernesses on Earth, offers a tantalizing possibility. Could a relic population of sauropods have survived in this vast, untouched sanctuary, hidden from human encroachment for millennia? The thought challenges our understanding of extinction. Our next stop takes us to the ancient city of Krakow, Poland, and the majestic Wawel Hill. Here, beneath the historic castle, lies a cave steeped in a legend that has captivated generations, the tale of the Wawel dragon. This fearsome beast terrorized the villagers, demanding tribute of livestock until it was finally outwitted and slain. The legend speaks of a creature of immense size and power, breathing fire and striking fear into the hearts of all who lived nearby. It was a primal force, a symbol of chaos and destruction, deeply embedded in the local folklore. But could there be a kernel of truth, a forgotten memory at the heart of this ancient myth? In 1837, a remarkable discovery was made within the very cave attributed to the dragon. Large, mysterious bones were unearthed, sparking immediate excitement and fueling the ancient legend. For a time, many believed these were the very remains of the Wawel dragon itself, a tangible link to the mythical past. However, scientific examination eventually identified these bones not as those of a dragon, but as the remains of Ice Age creatures, specifically a woolly rhinoceros and a cave bear. While this seemed to debunk the dragon theory, it opened another intriguing line of inquiry. The region around Wawel Hill is known for something else entirely: the presence of dinosaur footprints. These ancient tracks, preserved in stone, are undeniable evidence of colossal reptiles that once roamed this very land, millions of years before humans. This fact adds a fascinating layer to the dragon myth. Could it be that ancient peoples encountering the fossilized remains of these immense creatures, or perhaps even their preserved footprints, interpreted them through the lens of their own understanding? A massive bone, a giant track, could easily be attributed to a terrifying mythical beast giving birth to the dragon legend. The dragon then becomes a cultural memory of a prehistoric reality. Across the vast plains and towering mountains of North America, a powerful and awe-inspiring legend takes flight: the Thunderbird. Revered and feared by numerous indigenous plains tribes, this mythical creature is depicted as a giant bird of immense power, capable of generating storms with the beat of its wings. Descriptions consistently portray the Thunderbird as a colossal avian predator with an immense wingspan, often said to be large enough to blot out the sun. Its appearance is fearsome, with sharp talons, a powerful beak, and eyes that flash like lightning. It is a creature of the sky, a harbinger of both destruction and renewal. Accounts of the Thunderbird are not confined to ancient oral traditions. Surprisingly, reports of giant bird-like creatures continued to surface well into the frontier era, appearing in early American newspapers and settler accounts. These stories, often dismissed as tall tales, bear a striking resemblance to something truly prehistoric. The physical characteristics attributed to the Thunderbird, particularly its immense size and leathery wings, bear a remarkable similarity to the pteranodon. This magnificent pterosaur, with a wingspan that could exceed 20 feet, soared through the skies of North America during the late Cretaceous period. The resemblance is uncanny. Even more intriguing are the scattered reports of giant flying creatures continuing into the 20th century, particularly from remote, less explored regions of North America. While often attributed to misidentification or folklore, the persistence of these sightings begs the question, could a relict population of pterosaurs have survived, hidden from the modern world? The idea challenges our understanding of extinction and adaptation. Could these magnificent flyers have found isolated refuges, perhaps in unexplored mountain ranges or vast wilderness areas, allowing them to persist far longer than conventional science suggests? The sky, it seems, may hold more secrets than we realize. Our final journey takes us to the remote, mist-shrouded islands of Papua New Guinea, a land of unparalleled biodiversity and ancient mysteries. Here, among the dense jungles and volcanic peaks, a captivating legend speaks of the Ropen, a glowing, flying creature that haunts the night skies. Eyewitness accounts from indigenous tribes and modern explorers consistently describe the Ropen with remarkable detail. It is said to possess leathery bat-like wings, a long, slender tail, and a distinctive head crest. Its wingspan is estimated to be between 15 and 20 feet, a truly formidable size. But what truly sets the Ropen apart is its most extraordinary characteristic, bioluminescence. Witnesses claim the creature emits a soft, pulsating glow, leaving a luminous trail as it soars through the darkness. This eerie light has led some to call it the Dragon of the Night. The physical descriptions of the Ropen align remarkably well with fossil records of dimorphodons and other pterosaurs. These ancient flying reptiles possessed the leathery wings, long tails, and sometimes head crests described by Ropen witnesses. The parallels are too striking to ignore. Even more fascinating is recent paleontological research. Studies of fossilized dimorphodon wings have revealed the presence of melanosomes, pigment cells that, in some modern animals, are responsible for producing iridescent or glowing patterns. Could this be a clue to the Ropen's bioluminescence? The possibility that a pterosaur or a descendant thereof could have survived in the isolated ecosystems of Papua New Guinea is a tantalizing one. The consistent descriptions combined with the bioluminescent trait suggest a creature that defies conventional scientific understanding. The Ropen challenges us to reconsider what we believe to be extinct. The legends we have explored, from the Mongolian deathworm to the glowing Ropen, present a profound challenge to our conventional understanding of history and extinction. How do we reconcile these persistent, consistent accounts with the scientific consensus that dinosaurs vanished millions of years ago? One compelling explanation is that these legends are rooted in cultural memory, inspired by ancient encounters with fossils. Early humans, stumbling upon the colossal bones or footprints of dinosaurs, might have woven these discoveries into their myths, creating dragons, thunderbirds, and other monstrous beasts. This would explain the striking similarities between mythical creatures and prehistoric animals. Another, more speculative possibility involves the concept of time slips or echoes from the past. Could there be rare instances where the veil between epochs thins, allowing glimpses of creatures from a bygone era to manifest, leaving an indelible impression on those who witness them? this idea delves into the realm of the truly mysterious. However, the most intriguing and perhaps unsettling explanation is the possibility of surviving prehistoric species. Could relic populations of dinosaurs or pterosaurs have found refuge in the most remote, unexplored corners of our planet, evolving in isolation, hidden from human discovery? The vastness of our world still holds countless secrets. The overall message is clear. The age of dinosaurs might not be entirely over. Their legacy, whether through direct survival, cultural memory, or something more profound, continues to resonate in our world. These legends are not merely quaint stories, they are invitations to explore the unknown. This calls for further, open-minded investigation into these enduring stories. We must approach them not as mere folklore, but as potential clues to a deeper, more complex reality. The pursuit of truth demands that we question our assumptions and push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Ultimately, these tales challenge our understanding of the past and the very limits of scientific knowledge. They remind us that the world is far more mysterious than we often assume, and that the echoes of giants may still be heard, if only we are willing to listen. The age of discovery, it seems, is far from over.